Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Joey Suquette. I run strategy and corporate development for Fligoo, and I'm also an investor and board member. Fligoo is a technology company that focuses on advanced analytics, AI, and predictive modeling. We've developed a best-in-class enterprise AI suite over our 7-year history. But before I sort of get into how that exactly works and what that exactly does, I want to tell you a little bit about where we are. So we're pretty strong in North and South America, and that's where we originated. But recently we've expanded to UK, EU, and hopefully soon we'll be in the Middle East region as a result of the DIFC FinTech Hive program. Most of our professionals, which are around 55 people, come from companies like IBM, Microsoft, Intel. We developed our solution in collaboration with MIT Center for Artificial Intelligence Research. And we've got some pretty well-known investors from the Bay Area that have helped us along in our journey. We touch a lot of different industries, financial institutions, FMCG, retail, education, just to name a few. And we have a pretty impressive list of clients in those industries that I'll show you a little bit later. But really high level, we've got about 4 different products within our enterprise AI suite. The first is Fligoo Sharp AI Sales, that helps companies understand the best sale opportunity across their customer base for each individual customer, and then helps them identify the right time, channel, and speech to use when making that sale. Same on the side of churn, same exact logic and concept behind that product. But instead of a sale opportunity, we're identifying where the customer is at high risk of closing an account, liquidating an investment position, defaulting on a credit or loan obligation. And then we're identifying the right deferral or collection action, for example, or other retention action, and identifying the right time, channel, and speech to use when taking that action. Our Data Ready product helps companies get their data in good shape, cleansed, normalized, prepared in a big data environment. And last, our process optimization product helps companies optimize and automate certain processes like predicting fraud and maybe automating some more manual tasks. So our proprietary framework that you can see here on your next screen basically enables large companies to develop, deploy, and scale large AI projects across departments. As you can see on the left-hand side of your screen, we analyze data from a variety of sources that our clients already have, so we're not extracting any information anywhere. Our product, Fligoo Sharp AI, analyzes all of that data and runs multiple models in parallel. So those are models the thousands of models that we've built in the past. We'll build new models if the use case requires. We'll bring open source models. Or we'll make variations on open source models, and we'll have those different approaches sort of compete against each other over the scope of a 60 to 90-day pilot. We'll take all of those predictions and we'll plug them back in through an API back into, I would say, 95% of the existing systems that banks and other organizations already use. Here's just a sample list of some of our clients, but you can see they're pretty internationally recognized clients. Wanted to just show you a couple of cases where we helped top banks in North America and South America increase the sale of financial products in the scope of 90 days for both of them. And the sales impacts were pretty significant. But for the sake of time, we'll continue moving. Here's just a quick look at some of our team. We have subject matter experts in each industry that we focus on, and then a cross-functional team of data scientists, project managers, and data engineers. In terms of progress and some of our key milestones, this year we've signed a couple of pretty big long-term contracts with some pretty well-known financial institutions. We've grown our revenues pretty significantly. We've grown our headcount pretty significantly. And we completed the DIFC FinTech Hive program that we're really proud of. And we've got a lot of momentum in the region. And we've got actively about 4 proposals right now. So hopefully in a very short amount of time, I'll have our first couple of clients in the region, and Would love to speak to each and every one of you, time permitting, after the set of presentations. And thank you so much for taking time to listen to me.